Alright, man. And how the trading been going? We've been doing good, man. Doing much better, man.
Again, I'm gonna meta more.
I motherfucking, look at this, man. Look. This was May. No, this was June. This was June.
Hey, bro.
Wait a second, bitch. Where the fuck my May at, bitch? Oh, I posted it June 4th, but that's May right there. That was May.
Hey, bro.
It's June. 760 points in a fucking month. We're doing good, man. These are some of our trades we took, bro. That was last year. Niggas started talking crazy like a nigga ain't popped on no motherfucking top step challenge already. Did that shit, nigga. But then I started, yeah, here we go. Oh, shit. I'm sorry, brother. I'm sorry. Go back to sleep, please. Go back to sleep, big girl. Give you a pacifier here. Go back to sleep. I'm finna get out of here. I'm sorry. You gonna take me out, nigga. You gonna take the ass over there. That nigga knocked out.
Then I can't sleep, I barely. Ooh. Hey, I was quiet for roll inside my pocket, there's a little cheese. Look, I'm been dreaming of the payoff.
Hey, bro, I apologize, y'all. I changed my Discord from motherfucking $17 every 3. Hey, look, this for all you people saying I got delayed data. Now, Discord room, $8 a year now, bro. Got our first 2 conversions yesterday. I don't want to call them conversions because it's really a community, but, you know, WAP added the tax and the remit and shit. $9.09. 99 master completion. $9.99 a year. Let's go. Yeah, man. Sure, right now, I'm chilling because the weekly time frame neutral on NASDAQ. Chilling right now. Still using TradingView. But, you know, just, you know, on the phone. But, nigga, I'm trading off Charles Schwab TradeAvate. I ain't trading off no damn TradingView like that. Hell no, nigga. NASDAQ. Shit loading, but yeah, bro. Cap, man. No cap. Really hustling, nigga. 1,020 posts, nigga. No cap. No fucking lie. 20 fucking posts. In 2 weeks, nigga. That's in 2 weeks. But now, the next 2 weeks is gonna be 1,400 because I'm posting 100 times a day. No lie. So I'm gonna come back in 2 weeks. That shit gonna be 2,000 something, nigga. No lie. Every month I'm getting like 2,800 to 3,000 posts. No lie. And that's just me by myself. When I have my team, well, we doing 30,000 posts a month. No lie.